We're presenting on the Megafauna Extinction, and it's by Bodie and Jordy. Background. A megafauna is a large mammal. They usually weigh over 100 pounds and can live in the land and ocean. 100,000 years ago, and much longer, mammals existed that seem impossible today, and they had no limit on their growth because they were the dominant species. Examples of megafauna still around today are elephants, giraffes, rhinos, and hippos. How they're going extinct. Megafauna populations started to decline around 50,000 years ago. This was the late Pleistocene period, and it was the time humans entered the world. Humans quickly caused megafauna populations to decline because they would take over their ecosystems and their resources. Megafauna are generalist species, so they don't give birth to many kids, so when their population started to drop, they weren't able to recover. This is why humans were so effective in killing them off quickly. Effects of their decline. Ecosystems actually benefited from megafauna extinction. They would either eat all the food or stomp over it, leaving very little for other animals. It also led to less danger for humans and other animals, allowing them to grow. This led to humans climbing to the top of the food chain and other animals, however. An example of megafauna extinction is the megalodon. The megalodon was a dominant species in the ocean and quickly went extinct when humans came around. Humans overfished all their prey, so they quickly ran out of food. Once their population started to decline a little bit, there was a lot of competitiveness between other species, and they weren't able to overpower them. They weren't affected by climate change. Finally, or the last species we'll talk about is the glyptodon. The glyptodon is similar to a turtle, just could be the size of a school bus. They went extinct due to climate change, along with humans interfering with them. Climate change made their habitats harder to live in, and they weren't able to adapt quickly. Along with this, humans hunted them for their shells, fur, and meat. Thank you for listening.